really getting dangerous. Some crazy guy shooting around with his guns.
Good day guys, and welcome here to a new video on my channel. So we are doing today a kind of sightseeing tour. We are visiting the Lake Kusssharo, the Lake MASHU and the Mount Iyo, which are located in the area of Kawayu Onsen, where we slept tonight. So our tour begins at the Lake Kusssharo, which is right behind me. And the Lake Kusssharo is the second largest caldera lake in the world and the largest caldera lake in Japan in terms of surface area, and it is the sixth largest lake in Japan. It is also the largest lake in Japan to freeze over completely in winter. The lake is also known as Japan's Loch Ness after numerous reported sightings on a lake monster dubbed Kushi by the press from 1973. So right behind me you can see the Loch Ness monster. If you saw the vlog from New Zealand where we did our own hot spring baths, we can do it also here at the border of Lake Kusssharo by making our own onsen, so our own little hot spring bath. So the place is called Tsunayo and the suffix "yu" means in Japanese onsen.
It is really beautiful out here at Lake Kusssharo, and the peninsula is probably the smallest peninsula in Japan. So we were just walking back to the car when there was an American mink coming out of these holes, and it was very curious.
So we just arrived at the observatory deck, and as you can see we have a wonderful view on the Lake Kusssharo. So our next stop is here at the Lake MASHU on the observatory deck number 1. Yesterday we were on the observatory deck number 3 where we did the star watching tour. If you haven't seen the vlog from yesterday, make sure to go on the video on MCee's channel. There will somewhere there or there a card pop up, and definitely watch it. There were great shots. So the lake next to the Lake Kusssharo is the Lake MASHU, which is located in the Aiken National Park on the island of Hokkaido. It is a closed crater lake formed in the caldera, the volcanic crater of a potentially active volcano. MASHU was formed less than 30,000 years ago. The lake has been called the clearest lake in the world and is one of the deepest lakes, the 5th deepest lake in Japan, with 212 meters. In summer the surface of Lake MASHU is often obscured by fog. This has given the lake a reputation for mysteriousness. A local legend says that if you can see the surface of the lake you will have bad luck. So as you can see today we have a clear view on the surface of the lake, so we will have unfortunately bad luck. So we are now on the observatory deck number 3, where we had been yesterday for the star watching tour, and in the background you can see Mount Ayo, where we are going later. Last night we had the moon directly there. You will get right now a reference picture. It was just beautiful. So our last destination near Kawayu Onsen is Mount Iyo, also known as Astosa Nupuri, which is a volcano in the Aiken volcanic complex of Hokkaido here in Japan. Mount Iyo is a rather low mountain at 508 meters, and it hosts lots of alpine plant life.
So in front of us we can see the sulfur activity of the volcano, which is really impressive.
Here you can see the sulfur, and it smells and it stinks like rotten eggs.
So we are now walking to the bottom of the volcano of Mount Iyo. Earlier you could walk up the mountain to the top, and about 15 years ago there was a Japanese man who walked beside the path, and then rocks fell down on him and he died. So the path to the top was closed and we can only here stay at the bottom, but we still have an awesome view. Here we have a hot spring. Whoa! And the sulfur comes out with 100 degrees, which is really, really hot.
The water is so hot, so you can see it's boiling. So we just arrived from our tour, and now we're at the railway station where our next taxi waits to get us to Kiritappu. Alright guys, so we just arrived after 2 hours driving in our lodge. As you can see, we have a beautiful living room. Right over here we have a fireplace, nice, warm and cozy. And out here we have a wonderful view on a lake and on the national park. So let's move on into our room. It is located directly here. It is the second door off the right here with this beautiful bird here. And that's our room. We already put our luggage in it, and that's where we're going to sleep tonight. So that was an absolutely awesome day. After we arrived, we went into the sauna, and after the sauna we relaxed in the sun. As you saw at the drone shots, this house is very remote in the nature and we don't have anything around us. So that is very awesome. We even don't have any data connection, so we don't have any Wi-Fi or anything like that. So we are doing an offline night. If you liked the vlog from today, make sure you give this video a thumb up. You also leave us some comments down below, and you don't forget to subscribe to MCee's and my channel. So see you tomorrow in MCee's vlog. Bye!